Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, we're going to make this super cute little fox. It's very easy to make, and anyone can do it. Let's get started. Connect two orange pipe cleaners together. Wrap the pipe cleaner around a pen. Take one white pipe cleaner and repeat the same steps. Use scissors to cut the white coil in half. Thread the white pipe cleaner pieces through the center in this order. Pull both ends tightly, then twist them together to secure. Connect three orange pipe cleaners, then wrap them around a pen to form a coil. Repeat the same steps with one white pipe cleaner. Thread it through the orange and white coils like this, pull it tight, then twist to secure. Trim off the excess, then tuck the wire end inside. Use scissors to separate the frame. Next, thread it through the center like this, then twist to secure. Trim off the excess, then bend the wire end inward. Adjust the frame until it looks even and balanced. Bend an orange pipe cleaner into a small triangle to make an ear. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Fold a piece of pink pipe cleaner, then trim it neatly. Apply glue and attach the pink inner ear. Trim off any excess pipe cleaner. Make another ear in the same way. Apply glue and attach both ears to the head. Next, roll a small piece of pipe cleaner into a circle. Glue it in place to make the nose. Prepare a pair of plastic eyes. Glue on the eyes and nose. Add a little blush. Measure the right length for the arms, then fold the pipe cleaner. Roll it like this to make 2 arms. Trim off the excess neatly. Add a little color to the tips of both arms. Apply glue and attach both arms. Take a piece of orange pipe cleaner and fold it 3 times to make a foot. Trim the ends into points. Cut off the excess pipe cleaner. Make another foot in the same way. Then glue both feet in place. Fold a 3.5 cm piece of white pipe cleaner. Roll an orange pipe cleaner like this to make the tail. Keep rolling so the tail gradually becomes narrower. Use scissors to trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Apply glue and attach the tail to the body. Roll a white pipe cleaner into a flat circle, then glue it onto the tail. And our cute little fox is finished. See you in the next video.